Find more games like this one on Indie Game Launchpad. Link in the description.
Hello, my name's Jupiter Hadley, and today we're playing the game Fallin. This is the free edition. It's made by I Want an Elephant, and it's both an Android and Apple-based game. You can find this game on Indie Game Launchpad. Yep, okay, how to play. What? I was trying to copy you to understand. Oh, we just kind of tilt this. And then we don't hit the, okay. I think I got it. Maybe. So just kind of gotta let it go. Let the circle go through it, because it's almost like a stopper. But this thing's moving on its own, and we can also sort of tilt it. Nope, that was a failure. Oh, look at that explosion. We'll try again. That was our test run. Nope, that was a very bad move. This purple one looks quite cool. Purple's my favorite color. I did badly. I did so well my first time. No, I'm not doing great. Nope. No, I turned that the wrong way, which was what caused me to lose. Wow, this is quite challenging. Oh, and this one's not even a circle. Look at that. 1 point. There we go, 2. Nope. Oh, we got something, but please rate this game if you like to play. Okay, minimize it. We got a thing, like a power-up, but at the same time we died, so let's try to get this power-up. Upcoming is collision-free. Oh, so it's kind of like a ghost. That's so neat. It's like a ghost one, so if we hit it, like right there, it doesn't matter. We still get the point. And my personal best is 3. It's such a sad score. Oh, I did it. That was great. Take 50 times award. What? What? Oh, I have to hit it? Do I have to rotate? Do I have to rotate it 50 times before it gets there, or is that just like a new button? There's no way I can rotate it 50 times before it gets there. We're like really good at rotating stuff. We're not good at scoring at all, but I mean, we're very good at rotating stuff. There we go. Bomb. Next is difficult. Oh, yeah. Ah, yeah, it was difficult. It's difficult because our personal best is still 3. Alright. This is a super challenging game, but it's very fun. Because all of the shapes are slightly different, you very much want to go one more time. Still can't believe we haven't beaten our personal best of 3. No! 3 is not a good score. 10 games total. 10 games, my personal best is 3. I'm a failure. Blinks while you click. What? Yeah, I don't think I like blinks while you click. I don't think I like that one at all. That's not a good power-up. But I guess some of them aren't good. Some add challenge. Nope. Oh, 4. New personal best. It only took, 10. I've kind of liked that our stopper changes with our most recent achievement. That's pretty cool. It kind of motivates you. It's like, look at how well you're doing. You got an achievement. Now your stopper is different. I'm getting that power up because that looks like reverse controls, which is not going to do well with my personal best. Nope, we'll go this way. Nope. Okay, yep, good. Well, this looks nice and easy to get through. Nope. And I messed up on it. The one that I said was easy. Failure. 10 games per day. Oh, because this is my first day logging in. Alright. Okay, nope. Span too early. This is really fun though. I very much enjoy the challenge in this game. Even though I'm not the best at it. I feel like I'm doing alright. Occasionally I get quite a few. I'm glad that it does move slightly. Like, without us even pushing it, it moves slightly. It adds so much more challenge to the game. I don't want speed up, actually, thank you. How about definitely not speed up? That, yeah, okay. Oh, okay, there we go. It's probably just my recording software that's sort of causing it to lag a bit. Bam, there we go. Get you around the right way. There we go. On a roll. Not on a roll, because I announced we were on a roll. Let's go back home and see if we can get a stopper. Can we pick a stopper? Quit and return, yes. Let me see if there are other buttons here. Shopping cart. That sounds like I get to customize crap. Oh, this is just removing ads, which must be the like non-free version is the one with removed ads. I'm guessing all of these three things are just different rewards we can have. I don't care about rewards. My option is to show me the rewards that we have. Alright, speed up, sure. We're not horrible at this game. Not at all. JK, we're pretty bad. I don't mind the small ad at the bottom. I really don't. Alright. Here we go. Good, good. Nope. Not good. Really cool to challenge Lewis to this, or my brother, actually, because I feel like my brother would suck just as much as me. So we would have a good time. We'd be on an even playing field. And what's this power up do? Let's see if we can find out. No, we can't. So challenging. I'm sure I'm just messing up. My thumb, actually, this one, I sliced open this morning. So it's got a big bandage on it. I feel like that might be. It's probably just me, but that definitely would be what I blame my suckage on. Even though I can totally still use my thumb, and it's perfectly fine. That's what I'd blame. Because you always need something to blame. How badly you are at stuff on. No! I'll do this a couple more times. Wait, why don't we just do it to this side? There we go. Let's reverse our controls. Fine. Oh, nope, just kidding. We won't even last that long. I'm not even sure if that does reverse our controls. I'm just guessing. Guessing on most of the stuff that we're picking. Next is difficulty. Yeah, that bomb. That doesn't do exactly what I think it would do. What I thought it would do. Yeah, you were difficult. Killed me. Alright. This is a pretty simple, solid, well-made mobile game with some great music. Ah, I just nudged it. one more. Have that same first one because it's being easy on us. It's like, look, you've already got this, it's fine. Rotated 250 times. So I've rotated far too much in this small amount of time that I've played this game and not gotten anywhere. What? Ah. Yeah. That was my bad. I didn't realize like the side of my hand was on the screen. We'll do one more. Or maybe not. There we go. What's this power up? Reverse controls. Yeah, I'm probably not going to be able to. No. No. Alright. Are the controls just reversed forever, or were they just reversed for that one? Who knows? So there's minor bits of lag in this game. It's definitely some recording software. If you'd like to check out this game for yourself, there'll be a link in the description, and if you'd like to check it, will also be in the description. Thank you very much for watching and liking. Bye!